What happens if we drag this little 510 Hardtail Vise behind this pickup truck down a summer dirt road for up to 12 miles and up to 60 miles per hour? This vise right here is the Fireball 510. Don't get it confused with the 614 that we've tested previously. The 510 is 100 pounds lighter than the 614. This vise was designed to be mounted on the back of service trucks that see all weather conditions all the time, and we're going to demonstrate how well this holds up by the end of the road. I like destruction tests. No other vise manufacturer tests their vise like this, so I'm anxious to see what it looks like when we're done. We got big hills, we have washboard roads, we have big mud puddles, so let's see how this vise can handle this punishment. This road's famous for ruts. We're talking a good 10-inch holes in the middle of this road. Can't wait to see how the vise handles these big potholes. Looks like we got 25 feet. Let's see what happens. I'm excited to see what breaks on the vise. This might be the stupidest thing I've done all week, but it should be fun. My prediction, the rope will break. All right, let's do this. Oh, broke it. Okay, maybe a little bit of a softer launch next time. I might have been a little too aggressive. Let's wrap it up and let's do it again. Time to break something. Hold on back there. This road has seen better days. Punching it. Oh, it's bumpy. Ooh. Well, that thing's flopping around like a fish back there. Oh man, I don't know if it's gonna survive that. The dance of the vise. Okay, a straightaway. Let's go a little faster now. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, feel the power. These bumps are crazy. That vise is taking some punishment, but I need it to break. Approaching 4 miles. Oh man, that's a lot more dust than I thought. Mile number 5. Whoa, big hills. It's taking some serious punishment. Hang on back there. I can feel that vise tugging on the truck. Feels like a boat anchor back there. Bounce, bounce, bang, bang, bang. Oh, that's gonna leave a mark. Okay, there's some water coming up. Here we go, we're gonna splash. Suspension. Oh, I don't know how the vise is gonna handle that. It's gonna be full of mud when we're done. This bump's gonna knock my teeth out right here. Oh, oh, that's a big one. Another mud puddle, just over 7 miles. Sheesh. Let's go see how the vise did. Hopefully we wrecked it. That's the goal. Let's go check it out. Well, it survived, but the ropes that we've kept tying it to have not. I completely underestimated how much tug force this vise is providing. It's a big anchor being dragged behind this thing. I should have switched to a chain. Maybe we'll do that with the 614 next. But overall, I don't see anything crazy bad, but we won't know more until we get it back to the shop and get it cleaned up. And we'll test to see if it actually works. So what I'm curious is how much dirt is packed inside here and does this thing open? Let's see what happens. So we did have a handle failure, but these handles are designed to break. The cool thing about these handles is that they're replaceable with a new one because you can just unthread the little knob here, put it back in the hole. Ugh, yuck. Okay, well, first impression. It's a little gritty in there, but not bad. feels like it's supposed to. Starting to see a little dirt. Remember we drug it through that mud puddle? There's like nothing in there besides some water. Good as new in there. Blow it out, put it back. Just a little bit of muddy water in there, but that could definitely be hosed out. The slide has these elevated purchases right here and in the back so that any water that does get in here, it sits down below the slide and doesn't sit there and rust. There's weep holes right here for the water to escape. So even if water were to get inside of this, the dynamic jaw doesn't sit there and just swim in it. It has a little island to keep it up out of the water. And then the water will eventually drain out and no problems. Let's look at the slide. Got some yuckies on there, but nothing that's crazy. I don't see any cracks. The jaws have got a nice polish on it from being drug. A little bit of paint's rubbed off. It's got a nice patina on it. Let's check out inside here. Okay, we got some yuckum inside the bearings. Blow that all out with the pressure washer and we're good to go. Still feels pretty good. The shaft doesn't feel bent or anything. The meatball has some major scratches and gouges in it, but overall, I like that look. Looks like it's been well used. Okay, the swivel. Let's check that out. That's pretty good. Let's take it apart and see how much yuckums we got inside here. Even the meatballs have some nice scratches. It's got some scratching going down the side. Obviously, we took a couple little dings there. Nothing cracked on the swivel base. That does not look bent. That looks pretty straight. This thing took some serious tumbles. There's the bottom. All right, not terrible. Would have thought it'd been a little bit dirtier in there, but that is pretty good. Overall, the vise did really good. I have not seen anything wrong with this vise, besides some cosmetic damage and some paint.
'Tis but a scratch.
Even though this thing took some major tumbles. I'm gonna clean it back up, put it back together, and then we're gonna put this thing through another series of tests that I can't wait to show you guys. So until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.